This screen recording is going to show you how to use IPEVO Whiteboard app on your iPad. What's great about this app is you don't even need a dock cam in order to use it effectively. You'll notice the first thing I'm going to do is tap the black toolbox along the top bar, and the reason I'm going to do that is because one of the great features in this whiteboard app is the pointer. Not all whiteboard apps have this, and this is really nice when using a whiteboard and explaining things to students. That's one of the things I like most about this app. The other buttons you're going to notice, I am right now clicked on the one all the way to the left, which gives me this blank whiteboard. And I have very traditional whiteboard features up here. I have pen annotation, which you can see I have blue selected. I could make it translucent and I could adjust the size if I'd like. But that gives me the opportunity to have a blue pen so I can write whatever I want. The other nice feature is IPEVO actually gives you two pens. So this pen I could set up as a different color. So now if I wanted to demonstrate something like 10 minus 9, I could use two different colors at the same time. Again, not something all whiteboards have. And again, I would likely adjust the size there. I also have an eraser here, so I can go back and erase just the parts I don't want. Or if I slide all the way over here to the trash can, I can in fact clear all and erase everything. Now the other thing to note down along the bottom, if you take a look there, notice this is just one page, but I can hit the arrow and create more pages. So if I scroll back to number 1 and put something on here, I fill this one up, I can go to the second one and do something different on the second one and actually have both. Okay, the other great part down along the bottom, you can use the plus feature and you can pull other things in like screenshots or images from your camera roll or even things off the cloud or off a web page. I'm not going to click in those now because I am screen recording. However, you can try all of those things. The other thing I want to note is that is really fantastic about this is while I have the whiteboard feature here, if I click the next button over, it is going to revert to the camera on my iPad. So hold on and watch this. Now look, what has happened is now my iPad itself has become the document camera because now what you're seeing is what is on the other side of my iPad, and you notice I have the web page pulled up right on my laptop. But you certainly could put anything in front of it, no matter what, however your setup is. And again, you could do annotations right over top of these things, which is fantastic. So now your iPad actually becomes the dock cam and you still have all these great tools at your disposal. If I hop back over to Whiteboard and go to a clear screen, the other things of note here in your toolbox, which I showed you the pointer, which is one of my favorites, but you also have a ruler that you can manipulate, make bigger, make smaller. Demonstrate measurement. You also have a protractor where you can demonstrate angles, and you also have the spotlight feature, which is really nice if you want to create things ahead of time and just spotlight them for students. So either way, I find that the IPEVO Whiteboard app on my iPad is really beneficial even if I don't have a document camera. If I did have the wireless document camera, this button would in fact enable me to see what is coming through the camera of my wireless dock cam. But I don't have one, but it doesn't matter. The app is free and I can use the whiteboard or again, switch and show you what is coming through my iPad. Great tool if you have an iPad.